Hey guys, Jodie and welcome back to my channel. So it's more than a year and a half since I got my new iPhone 6s. I don't know if you have seen my unboxing for it, but I'll leave it in this corner here. And recently Optus had this deal where it's like $64 a month and you get a iPhone 8 Plus, which is just came out like end of last year because it's 2018 now. And I thought it was a pretty good deal because you get 20 gigs of data and unlimited calls and things like that. So I went ahead and got myself a new phone because my 6S was lagging. And yes, I cracked the screen just here. So I was an idiot again because I keep chucking my phone everywhere. You guys on the comments all say I'm clumsy, which I definitely admit. So this is the iPhone 8 Plus. So let's unbox it together now. Haven't even watched an unboxing, so that's probably a bad idea. So I just removed the film. Dun, dun. And this is what the box looks like. So it just says iPhone. Where does it even say iPhone 8? So like on the side it says iPhone as well. Apple symbol. More iPhone, more Apple symbol. So it doesn't actually say it's an iPhone 8 Plus except the top here. So I got the 64 gigabytes because my 6S was 64 gigs and it was more than sufficient space for me. So I just opened that. Designed by Apple in California. I'm just gonna try to open it like this way of the phone. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's gigantic. Compare the difference. Like my old phone was a 5 and this is a 6S, and then now it's just 8 Plus, so it's like gigantic. Oh my goodness. It's pretty. And also I learnt my lesson because last time I got the rose gold. You can see I got the rose gold one and it's full on pink and I hated it. So this time I learnt my lesson. Ooh. And I got the silver one. Oh my gosh, it's like all glass. So I'm gonna break this thing. So this is what it looks like. That, and this is the front. I don't have a screen protector yet, so I probably will try and keep this film on for as long as I can. I don't have a case as well, so good job, Jodie. And in the box we've got a, ooh, it feels different. Alright, no, this is like a paper wrapping thing on the outside. So your normal phone charger. What the hell is this? Oh, ooh, look at that. Wait, is that oh okay, I thought they were earpods for a second, but there's actually the cord on the inside. So that, and I think that's a little connecting thing because stupid Apple decided to do one hole at the bottom instead of the earphone holes. I'm not gonna like that very much, I have a feeling. And you've also got the charger cord like normal, and I do believe that this iPhone 8 Plus and the 7 Plus does wireless charging, but obviously I don't have the wireless charger. It doesn't come with it. Yep, nope, it doesn't have anything. I'm gonna get my SIM card out of my 6S and put it in this one here. Taking the case off my phone here, and this case is from whoa, something just broke off. The case here is from Richmond and Finch. I absolutely adore their cases. It's like their Freedom 360 ones or something like that. It's got this little gel thing and they're really pretty, and I really love this rose gold bar. So, and it really works, so I really like that one. Can you see? This is like legit pink. Compare the difference. Ah, they're so pretty next to each other. How come this time you don't get the pokey thing? Where's the little stick that you poke the SIM card with? What on earth? Is it in here? I don't know what this is. Welcome to iPhone. It's like a little brochure. It's like teaching you how to use the phone, I think. Some Apple stickers, which everybody loves. Oh, there we go. I do have the little pokey thing. And what my friend told me today was that you can use the back of your earring post, which was like such a genius idea. So in case you want to change it on the go, or you're like on the overseas on a plane or something, you can just use the back of your earring. But since I have this, I'm going to use that. I'm going to take that SIM out of my phone. Ooh. So it just comes with this little nano SIM, like this tiny little thing. Let's hope I don't lose it. I'm going to poke this side hole like that. SIM back in there like this. Tick. Alright. Do I need to charge this or what? Alright. Are you ready? I'm gonna turn it on. Ready? I'm just pressing the side button. Any day now. There we go. While I wait for that to load, I've already synced my phone with the iTunes, so hopefully I don't have to download anything new and all my apps will be already on my phone. I love it when it's like, hello, hola. How many of these do I know? Hello, like, come on, it's like the same thing. Hello, ciao. I know that one too. Okay, I have no idea what they're saying. I'm gonna say 안녕하세요, 니 hao, and that's how it goes back to hello. Maybe I should switch the view so you guys can see what I'm doing, because I'm not doing anything backwards. Do I have to press this button? Oh god. Alright, let me switch the camera view. Alright, so this seems like a better setup. Let's just do English. Select your country, Australia. There's no option. There's like literally one option. What do you mean? Alright, Australia. Language. Thank you. Quick start. Now let's see if you have an iPhone or iPad. What does that mean? Bring it nearby. What does that mean? Do I bring it nearby like this? Hello. What does bring it nearby mean? If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Well, the picture looks like you just bring it nearby. Alright, does that work? Hello? Alright, I think I'm gonna break this new one if I keep doing that. Maybe I should sign in. Alright, so now it's in. Ooh, oh, did you see that? I just logged in and it was like set up new iPhone. That is amazing. Alright, let's try that. Continue. Dude, it's like the bumping thing that you go bump. Ooh, ooh. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Let me coordinate myself. Oh my gosh, I am so amazed. I am absolutely so amazed right now. I can't. No, keep this iPhone near your iPhone while it's being transferred. Alright. Did you guys know this is a thing that you can just hold on and it does that? Why the hell did I just spend like an hour syncing my iTunes then? Silly me. Alright, let's see. Enter passcode on your other phone. Alright, let me just do that quickly. Why is it wrong? There we go. So I just put my passcode on. Oh my gosh, I am actually so mind blown. So once this is synced, I will come back and show you what it's like. So it just finished syncing and now it's asking me to set up my fingerprint, so that is what I'll do. I don't really know if this little flappy thing will make a difference, but cover home button completely. I did! Is this not complete? Touch lightly. Ooh, okay. Apply less force when, oops, guess I'm pressing too hard. Alright. Why is it not letting me? What? Okay, adjust. Alright. The edges. That's good. So many criterias. I don't remember it being this hard. Oh my god. Do this stuff up. Is that done? Complete! Yes. Thank you. Now you're setting up. Does this still go while I do that? Oh my god. Well, while I'm waiting for this, I'll show you the damage I did. So I got like a one with the lifetime warranty, the screen protector. I know it's really bad. But this crack here happened underneath. This is not the scratch on the actual protector. This is my phone cracked. Can you see that? So my phone cracked under my screen protector. Like, how crazy is that? What kind of, like, it's like the screen protector was so durable that my phone cracked, but the protector didn't, so it totally did not do its job. Finish on new phone. Your Apple ID can now be set. Okay. What's this? No SIM card. Oh yeah, because I removed it. What's this one? Okay, let's close that. But I thought I just transferred everything. What do I do? Set up as new iPhone. Okay, let's do the iTunes backup because that's what I just did. So So I still have to connect it to iTunes. What on earth was the point of that whole syncing thing that amazed me so much? Put here, and then with one hand. I'm just syncing it to my iTunes now. So it's on my Facebook. Let's change it over to iTunes. Alrighty, so it's my phone here. Keep your memory safe. Okay, so how do I do this? iPhone. Welcome to your new iPhone. Restore from this backup. iPhone 6s. Yes, can I do that? Continue. Alright, half of these times, like you can, it's like, what if I don't agree to, like, for example, this part? Like, what can I do? I can't, like, not agree anyway. I don't think I have a choice. Continue. Oh, what's this? Cannot be restored because the software is too old. Are you serious? To restore this iPhone from this backup, you first must set up the iPhone as new and restore. Oh my god. To restore this iPhone from this backup, you must first set up the iPhone as new and restore the software to the latest. What does that even mean? Well, I guess I can't do this, so cancel. Alright, so how do I get this back again? Hello, it's gone. Should I plug it again? Back. Alright. Set up as new phone. Maybe I should do that. Man, I wanted to just be easy. Thought the whole bumping thing was really cool, but now it's not so cool anymore. Alright, so we're back to the same terms and condition. Agree, yes. Agree, yes. Location, yeah, or why not? Enable. Hello? It's frozen. Oh, there we go. That's not a good sign. Apple Pay. I'll set it up later. I really like Apple Pay. Like, I have it on my current phone right now. Siri. I'll do everything later. iPhone and don't share. Don't try stalk me. True tone display. iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions, make colors appear consistent. Cool. Continue. I like the sound of that. Meet the new home button. Well, you look the same to me. What's so new about it? Make your iPhone experience even more personal by choosing the click that's right. Okay. Whoa. What's this? Tap an option below, then press the home button to give it a try. This is so cool. Alright, let's try. 1. What the hell? Alright, 2. This phone is so big, I can't even like hold it properly. Like my hand's not busy. Like my hand's not big enough. Okay, 2. 3. What the hell's the difference? Oh. Like on 3, the whole bar here moves, I think. Oh, I don't like any of these. Why can't I just... Oh, I just realized the button doesn't go in. It's like this whole bar moves. I forgot because on the 6, like this doesn't move. Like only the button moves like that. Oh yeah, I have Apple Pay there. Oh. Alright. Let's just pick 2. Alright. Next. What's this? Display zoom standard. Which one do you guys like better? This one or this one? Alright, let's just do standard because I want to feel young. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. Whee! So I'll show you guys the reason why I got a new phone is because, I don't know if you can see, but there's 2 cameras here. The dual lens, which allows you to have this thing called portrait mode. So when you take photos, you can like focus it on something close. Allow camera to access location while using it. Allow. Okay, so like for example, if I took a photo of, I'll go to portrait. The reason why I got a new phone. Portrait camera, create portrait with sharp object against beautifully blurred background. Yes, this is what I like. Continue. Please show me how to do it. See that on my screen? I think this photo inception is insane, but my jacket there is actually a bit blurred. Well, it definitely is blurred on this on my screen, and this is focused. Alright, I'm gonna insert some pictures so you know what on earth I'm talking about, because I can't explain. My phone is focused, but this scissors down the back here is blurry. Like, and my laptop behind is blurry, but my iPhone is really clear on your screen right now. That is what this camera is doing at the same time. So my Canon G7X has this, probably this dual camera thing that makes my phone here at the front really clear, and everything in the background is blurred, so it can focus on like my phone, for example. Well, so you know how I did the tappy thing and I thought nothing happened, but it turns out that it automatically connected my Wi-Fi. Not only that, I go into photos. Hold on, wait, it worked before. Okay, see, it's got my photos in it, so I don't actually, oh my goodness, it's amazing. But it doesn't have all of them. Hold on, it only goes up to a certain date. What date is this? The 17th of August. Swipe up to see live photos effects. Okay. No, that didn't work. Didn't it say swipe up? What am I swiping up? Ooh, like that. So you press the photo and you swipe up. That's cute. Messages? Let's try that. Nope, messages is blank. So seems, what about phone calls? Favorites? Nope. Okay, so all my contacts are synced. Well, probably most of them, so I've got that. So far, only contacts and some pictures have been saved using that tappy thingy mobobby. So, I mean, that's good to know. Oh my god, it's heating up really quickly. Tell me guys what your favorite color of the 8 Plus is. Like, if you were to get one or you already have one, which color you got, because I definitely do not like this pink, and I'm really happy with this silver one that I got. This is like the size of my face. Like, look at that. That's intense. So when I'm on my phone, like, you can't see my face. Anyway, so I will go and sync up all my contacts, pictures and things like that if I can, and I will take some photos with my new camera and I'll insert the pictures after this video. Hopefully you will understand what I'm talking about. You guys probably already know, but I am so excited to try this phone. Oh my god, I just found something really cool. If I move my screen, oh, you can't see it like this, the picture actually moves. Oh my god. Nah, you can't see it on camera, but yeah. Oh my god, it's cool. Sorry you guys have to put up with me being amazed with really simple technology like this, because I'm a bit slow. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe in the red button down below. And also let me know if you do want me to do a what's on my iPhone 8 Plus, because I never ended up doing one for my 6S, which I was going to, but yeah, I just never did because I never found anything interesting on it. But I am considering doing on this, so please let me know if you're interested, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.